So now that the dust has settled and Rudolph Speid will be the Reggae Boyz interim coach for the upcoming World Cup qualifying playoffs, and he will be assisted by Miguel Coley. Now my question is, how far will Speid and Coley depart from the ways of Steve McLaren, both in terms of player selection and team strategy? How different will the team line up and shape up from all of those failures coming up to Curacao? Certainly, the time is too short to convert Jamaica into a smooth, flowing passing machine. So for sure, the most we can expect are a few tweaks. And what about the motivational aspect of the team, where McLaren appeared invisible and ineffective in getting the team to spark in front of a full house at the National Stadium? As for these two games, the team will need some fire under them tail as they go full speed ahead.